So as you can see there, what you see there is that this statement, right? In order for us to lead other people well, assuming, let's say, we are leading a team, right, or leading a business, or in a leadership position, in order for us to lead other people well, right? The premise here, where what I'm suggesting is that we need to be able to lead ourselves well first. Now, why is that? If you're not able to lead yourself well, then that would mean, right, that people will not be able to connect well with you. They will not want to follow you because you are not leading yourself well, right? You don't communicate well, for example. You are triggered by your biases. Your behavior is maybe inappropriate at times, and so that has an impact on the people around you. So what is this thing called self-leadership, right? Good self-leadership, right? If you think about it, I will offer a simple definition what good self-leadership is. And that is really about bringing forth your best self. So think about it. If you are able to lead yourself well, what you are doing really is to bring your best self forward all the time. And not just in good times, but also during stressful times like now, right? So how we think will impact our words and our actions. And then that in turn, right, one more thing is that it will affect, you have an impact on yourself as well, right? When you do things or when you don't do things, that in turn has an impact on yourself. It may impact other people or the organization or the people around you as well. Right? So think about it, right? If you, for example, you were to keep quiet, then how would other people perceive you, right? So that has an impact on other people, whether you like it or not. There is an impact, right? Or if you say something, other people then have another perception. So it has an impact, whether you like it or not. So I would like to introduce you this idea that our mind brain, right? Our mind and our brain is actually a meaning-making machine. So it's always trying to make meaning of what is going on with ourselves or with the world around us. So what is happening in this brain is that there's all these things, right? The beliefs, our values, certain memories that we have, knowledge that we have as well. All those contribute to us, making up a story or a meaning about what is happening around us. So this is what happens. And when after going through this thing, right, what happens? The output of it is this thing called a perspective. We will adopt a certain perspective about that thing, that is the situation, right, or that person that's in front of us. We will form some kind of a value judgment or a perspective. So that's the output of the meaning making.